Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to change your gradient color of your shapes or objects on Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow the simple steps. So the first step that I'm doing here is to create multiple shapes so I can show you how to change the color of our gradient. So basically now we will need to fill our uh, objects or shapes. So I'm going just to select them and click on my shapes, select them and go to the fill color, and you can fill them however you want. Also you can fill them with a gradient color, because if you go to the fill color or the fill option, you will find that there is the gradient. So let's stick with this method now and go like this. Now you can search for the gradient menu here in the window, and we will need to search for colors here and colors, and we will find the gradient. Also you will find color. So here it will give us all the colors that are contained in our uh, menu or in our Adobe InDesign. So now let's suppose that you want to make it a gradient. So here when I click on the gradient option, or you can just do it with the gradient tool by adding the gradient that you want. For example, I want it to be in this direction and it will have this gradient. Now I have a predefined already gradient because I already used it in shapes. So here to change the color we need to change this frame's color. As you can see, when I'm selecting a frame, I will have the same frame color, and now you can change it. For example, you can choose any color that you want from your panel. So let's just give it, for example, this color, and now we want to change the second frame color. So let's make it, for example, a purple one, and you can change the brightness of this color, or you can just make it like this and have it something like that. And to add a frame, you will need just to click in the bar here, uh, just to double click or to click in the bar here, and a color will be added to your swatch or to your gradient. So basically our gradient here is like that because we already did the gradient. So if you want to change it, you want just to make it longer or just to change its direction with the gradient tool. So let's just make it like that, and now we have a more smooth gradient for our shape. And you can do this for all the other shapes. So let's just click like this and go for a white. Let's give this one an orange color, for example. And if you want more color options, you can just go to window, color, and search for Adobe color theme or the swatches. So here you will find all the colors that are contained in the Adobe InDesign. So basically you choose the colors that you want. Let's give it a blue, for example, a light blue, something like that, and make it here and like this. So basically this is how you change your gradient color in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.